The review strings task is an important step when it comes to getting your code ready for localization. In order to be localized, strings must either live in the localizable strings file or in the localizable interface file. During the prepare code step, Extractor identifies potentially localizable strings in your project, which you can see here. On the left, you can see a list of view controller files containing strings to review. Click at the disclosure triangle to see a list of strings in that file. On the right, you'll find the line of code in which that string appears. You may choose to ignore or localize each segment Extractor has identified. Ignoring a string does just that. Ignore it and leave the line of code untouched. Choosing to localize a string will allow Extractor to wrap the string in the NSLocalizeString method, thus making it localizable. You also have the option to provide a comment, which will appear in the localizable strings file. The current line of code is highlighted in red. If you opt to localize a string, the change Extractor would make is highlighted in green. If you know a view controller contains no localizable text, you can select the checkbox next to the file name and click Ignore to ignore any strings Extractor may have identified. Once you've reviewed all localization candidate strings, click the Update Source Code button to update your project.